Welcome to the COBB Rear Motor Mount install guide for the Focus ST. Before we get started, you'll need a T30 Torx driver, 13 and 15mm deep socket and box wrench, 10mm socket cap bit, and a torque wrench. You should have the rear motor mount as shown here. We'll start by jacking up the car. Now we have access to remove the 3 T30 Torx screws securing the air skirt. Then remove the skirt. Now remove the 8 T30 Torx screws that secure the under tray, then remove the under tray and set it aside. Remove the 2 13mm nuts securing the oval downpipe bracket. Remove the oval bracket. Remove the 3 13mm nuts securing the downpipe bracket. Remove the 13mm nut on the back side of the mount. Remove the 15mm bolt on the other side. Then remove the downpipe bracket. Now locate and remove the marked 15mm stud. Remove this 15mm bolt. Remove the 13mm stud securing the dogbone. Remove the OEM motor mount and dogbone. Install the COBB Rear Motor Mount and OEM dogbone as shown. Thread the 15mm bolt as shown. Thread the 13mm stud. Thread the included 10mm socket cap bolt. Thread the 13mm stud as shown. Then tighten the 13mm stud. Tighten the 10mm socket cap bolt. Tighten the two 13mm studs. Tighten the 15mm bolt. Torque the 15mm bolt to 40 foot-pounds using a torque wrench. Torque the 10mm socket cap bolt to 75 foot-pounds. Now reinstall the two-piece downpipe bracket. After seating the bracket, reinstall and tighten the three 13mm nuts that secure the downpipe bracket. Reinstall the oval bracket and two inserts. Reinstall and tighten the two 13mm nuts that secure the oval bracket. Check and tighten nuts. Now just reinstall the undertray and airfoil using the 11 T30 Torx screws and you're ready to rock. With your COBB Rear Motor Mount, every shift will feel more positive and wheel hop will be significantly reduced. And best of all that unwanted engine movement will be gone. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.